Alright, welcome back to another video. I know that I haven't done any video in a while, but today I just will kick it off back with some stew chicken. So I have everything prepared ready, cause we prep everything. Alright, so this are the chicken, garlic, onion, cut up some chocho, some hot pepper, carrot, thyme, sweet pepper, and the scallion. Now, the reason why I do the scallion like this, I could have cut it up, but you beat the scallion, you get a better flavor out of it when you beat the scallion. Alright? So I don't own copyright to the music that is playing in the background. Also. Alright, so I have some jerk seasoning, so I'm gonna put some more on the chicken and little browning and everything, mix up everything. Alright, so I'm gonna add everything in it because I want it marinate together. Add enough. I'm not add too much browning because and everybody like them chicken black. Mix it in. I'm afraid to get it tonight. Alright, so this video that I talk about, you shake it so every part of the chicken gets seasoned on it. You understand? Marinate easier too. Alright, so I'm gonna put this now to sit for like a couple minutes. You can use it right away, you know, if you are rush, but like if not, you can make it sit there for like around 2 hours, 3 hours. Alright, back to my stew chicken video now. Alright, I have this like literally a marinate for an hour. Because I did have some technical difficulties, so I just left it there and just make it a marinate for 1 hour. So you know, say this is well marinated. Alright, when I go now, I'm going to add the meat to the oil. It's supposed to well add to. I don't want the seasoning, too much of the seasoning go off tonight. Like, I want somebody to stay back for like when I cook it down so the carrot and the sweet pepper and them things they can have it color. And it still, you know, look nice. So I'm going to fry the meat for a while first. Alright. So take off some of the seasoning off it. Add the meat to the pot. You can add all right if you want, you know. At once. Alright, so I add like half oil to the pot. Now I go add the other half when this finish fried. Alright, so I have this fry for like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I never really have time, so I go add some. I'm going to add the water to it. And it's best if you use warm water because cold water makes your meat kind of tough. So I'm going to allow this one now to go and cook down. Catch more brown color. This needs a little more water in it. Alright, so I'm going to add these to the pot now. So the last step, right? Make it cook down for like 5 minutes and then add some ketchup to it. I don't really like the ketchup still, but I have. If I use like tomato if it is needed. But this already thick already, you don't need no ketchup. You see that? Alright, so I just will add some ketchup to it because I want to lock it off right now because I don't like when the carrot and them thing are too soft and you know. Alright. So I'm just add this to it and let it cook down for a little while. Get rid of some of the ketchup taste outside and then it's ready. Alright, so like by the next minute it's ready, you know. Lock off and that's it. Alright, so this ready now. Real Yardman stew chicken. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, share and like the video.